You can now link your broker into the TradingView charts, and you can do all your trading within the TradingView package. It makes it a lot more simple, cleaner, more efficient. A great idea. Addition to the TradingView suite of products. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you link your broker into TradingView. Obviously you're going to need two things. You're going to need the broker and TradingView, and we've got a link in the description below this to the TradingView setup if you want to explore that more, and the broker I'm using in this example, Trade Nation, and you can explore them further. And like I said, I'm going to take you through step by step what you need to do, and you'll see how easy your trading can become. Let's get this set up then. So I'm just in, standard chart page. It's called Super Charts on TradingView. Now down the bottom you notice a few menu selections there. We want that trading panel one. We can see it more easily if we scroll it up, and all of a sudden it presents you with the list of brokers, supported brokers that you can use. And we are interested in Trade Nation, so we click on Trade Nation, and then all we have to do is connect, because we've already got our Trade Nation account open. Then we simply sign in by hitting the connect now, whatever way you want to do that. And once you've hit connect, it's very, very quick and you are in. So basically we can now see we've got the Trade Nation account mapped. You can switch between brokers if you've got multiple brokers there, but we've got Trade Nation there. You've got the account number, we've got an account balance in there, we've got all the details that we need. So now you don't even have to open up your own broker. You can do all your trading through here. It's really as simple as that. Now if you notice here on the chart, I've got the Germany 40, that's the German stock market, the DAX there, and the broker there is Pepperstone for that chart. Notice if you hit the trade button there, it brings up like the trade order box, but notice it says non-tradable symbol. That does not belong to Trade Nation, so you have to find, build yourself a watch list down there on the right hand side of maybe the Trade Nation symbols, and then you can just click on them quickly to get them onto the chart. But you will need the broker symbols that belong to that broker to be able to do this trade through approach. Unfortunately, Trade Nation has made it easy. TradingView has made it easy for you to find this stock. So all I've done in the symbol search is I've filtered by Trade Nation, but as you've connected, it's going to drop down, unless you get rid of it, the Trade Nation tickers. So you can see all your options by indices there, Forex, etc, etc. So maybe we want to have a look this time. Let's try and find the German equivalent there. We've got it here, DE40 is the ticker. Let's put that on our chart, and all of a sudden you can see there the complete trade ticker box. You can put in your price, set stop loss, whether you want to do it market, limit orders there, where you want to take your profit, stop loss, order criteria there, good till cancel, whatever. We've got hedging box there as well if you want to hedge out your order, and you can say how much you want to put on the trade, and then you're just going to hit that buy button. So just to show you an example here, I'm just going to risk a very small amount, put the trade on, and as you can see the button's gone blue, so I can buy it. You hit the buy, and then it's going to populate straight away into the positions box here, and you can see orders that you've got history, account summary, notifications log, positions. So like I said, it's not having your broker inside the Trade Nation platform. And now also, if I just pull that down a bit as well, you can see on there it's marked where you've actually got into your trade. And I've just put another order on S&P 500 there, again small size, just to show you what multiple positions look like. Now you can flick through all the different chart types and it's still going to show you where you got into your trade. But just say you're unhappy with the variables that you've put in around maybe stop loss or take profit, you can amend the trade by clicking on the little pencil there and changing the stop loss or take profits and hitting the modify button. You don't like the trade or you want to exit the trade, well, it's very simple. It's just a case of clicking out, close position. That's it, and it's gone. And we've also done quite well there on the DAX very quickly since I've been making that video. So let's take the profit there and close the position, and then we can go into our history and see exactly that we made 14 pounds there very quickly on the DAX. You see the message coming up, the order closed. Again, you can set the variables how you like, have a play around. You can see we made £14.20 on those 2 quick trades. A final last couple of tips back in that drop down there, some important things. The red there, if you want to log out of Trade Nation, you can do, and it just takes you back to the standard trading view. Like this button here, export data. You want to get your data out into Excel and analyze what's been going on. Hit that there and it's going to create the file for you. So a nice little extra feature there as well. I go on about trade risk management, knowing your stats. Well, it's been done for you there in terms of the raw data. Then it's down to you just to play around with your your Excel skills or whatever, your programming skills, to turn it into the data that you want. But this is a great new addition to the world of TradingView, and being able to link your broker in, and Trade Nation here working beautifully. Lots of markets to trade there on Trade Nation through the chart. So if you just want to open one platform and do everything through one platform, which is a really great idea, then as you've seen, it's pretty simple to get going with. So there you go, a quick guide how you can get set up on TradingView with your broker. I really love this feature, really good new addition into the world of TradingView. You just need the 2 things, TradingView and your broker. I've got a link in the description below if you want to find out more about TradingView and more about Trade Nation there. If you liked the video, please give us the thumbs up. It all helps the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icons to receive future notifications of content that I'm going to be producing like this, or in the vast spectrum of trading that you'll find in my YouTube channel. So if you want to find out more about Trade Nation, the broker, then I've got a video coming up for you to watch right now.